Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noraini binti Hassan. This is a video presentation poster for group 2. I want to introduce our member group. Nur Syafiqah binti Abu Yazid, Siti Hafizah binti Muhammad Daun, and me, Noraini binti Hassan. This is our topic for academic paper, the social effect of people engaging with the different personality. Every human have a different character and different personality. Different personality divide of two. It mean if you is introvert or extrovert. So what is introvert? Introvert is a person uncommunicate, reserved, quiet and shy. So how about extrovert? Extrovert is characters unconstrained, abundant, upbeat, excited, earnest, and uninhibited. So, which one of your character? Are you introvert or are you extrovert?
How do introverts and extroverts in a relationship? For introvert, they tend to be more of a listener, especially if their partner is extrovert. They always take time in making physical move, like talking to someone new. They have calm personality. They always take time to reflect or process in any discussions or interactions, including in a relationship. For the extroverts, moderating effect on the relationship between the altruism and the positive mood. The altruism is the unselfish concern for other people. They doing things simply out of desire to help, not because they feel obligated to out of duty, loyalty, or religious reason. It involves acting out of concern for the well-being of other people. The extroverts always be like easygoing persons, and they can always spend well with other people. We can conclude that the extroverts and introverts, they can communicate well with others. How introverts and extroverts behave at their workplace? The introvert like working on their own, love to do things alone because they tend to have more critical thinkings in almost anything or everything. Their suitable occupation is like writer, computer programmer, graphic designers, editor. The work that not involved with a lot of people's or interactions with people frequently. They tend to be successful, for instance like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mahatma Gandhi. For the extroverts, they enjoy the presence of others. They tend to have to adapt better to different social situations. They have positive correlation between their job performance, focusing more towards interactions or influencing others and obtaining status and power. Suitable work for the extrovert is like sellers, businessmen, promoter, human resources, reporters. Successful papers with extrovert is such as Steve Jobs, Muhammad Ali, and Mary Anthony. They tend to speak louder because they are kind of an easygoing person.
In terms of environment or social life, an introvert tend to have a lower level of social interaction. They were rather to be alone than in a bunch of group. An introvert usually does not want to be involved in any social situation, and because of that, people usually indicate them as a person with low self-esteem. An introvert usually feels the fear of failure that can be threatened their future in building their self-esteem. And compared to an extrovert, they enjoy social interaction with other people. They prefer to be in a group or surrounded by people. They have a higher level self-esteem that make it easier for them to interact with other people, especially strangers. They also will be a person who more outspoken in giving opinion. They also like to take a risk in every decision they make. Now, let's talk about healthy lifestyle. An introvert are more sensitive to feel the pain, and also the more prone to fatigue, especially when they have to be in a crowded place or area. They suffer more on their performance when they are excited. They become clumsy and tend to ruin an opportunity that they get. different with an extrovert person. An extrovert tend to get into a risky situation. Usually, an extrovert person is more hyperactive compared to introvert person. They hardly get tired and always excited. They become more outspoken and confident when they get excited. However, based on some study, an extrovert commonly get involved with drugs and alcohol due to social activity they usually join or spend time with.
How introvert and extrovert make a decision? For introvert, they can analyze aspects and can be any situation to make decision. Introvert brain operate faster than extrovert to make decision. They don't need decision support from other people. And then they do not make impulse decision, but different personality for extrovert. For extrovert, they must double check information sources before making decision. Extrovert also put off making important decision as a thinking. Extrovert need consultation and support before they make any decision. Extrovert need someone to steer them in the right decision. Conclusion from the introvert and extrovert for decision making. I can conclude that introvert person can be a good person to make decision from extrovert personality.
In conclusion, personality traits may influence the social life of a person. Both with different personality have pros and cons. However, a perfect team can be created even with different personality that can complete each other by having a good communication, including reaching a final decision in every task. And in terms of relationship, a partner of introvert and extrovert make a good and strong couple as they complete each other. For instance, involve the introvert in advanced planning while giving them some privacy in decision making. Thus, introvert and extrovert are different personalities which have benefits that can fulfill the emptiness or lack of each other personality, which provide better improvement in social life.
Thank you for watching.